Sarika Rana, updated, July 12, 2018 15:29 IST. Losing weight is a constant battle between all the processed and junk foods you have to say goodbye to and all the healthy foods you need to say hello to. If you are one of them, we understand what you go through every single day. Losing weight is not a cakewalk, and can at times get little strenuous too. Following strict fitness regimes and eating a healthy diet go hand in hand. However, there are some natural stimulators that you can team with exercise and diet, which can help cut the stubborn flab. One of the best stimulators is barley water. Barley is a fiber-rich grain that's generally served as a rice substitute and is counted under the category of whole grains like oats and whole wheat that are known to shake kilos. Most nutritionists vouch for a glassful of barley water for effective weight loss. Let's look at how helpful it is. Barley helps in reducing cholesterol levels in the body, thanks to the beta-glucan it contains. It has cholesterol-fighting soluble fiber that is said to keep cholesterol levels in check. Regular consumption of barley helps flush out toxins from the body and the intestines through the urinary tract. Barley water also acts as a diuretic, which makes it a natural remedy for urinary tract infections along with kidney stones. According to dietitian Ritu Arora, barley water promotes weight loss as it regulates the blood sugar level because of its low glycemic index properties. Moreover, it detoxifies our body and cleanses the gut, keeping our body healthy. Also read, 5 amazing barley water benefits you must know. Barley water for weight loss. Barley helps in reducing cholesterol levels in the body. Barley water for weight loss. Here's how barley water helps lose weight efficiently. 1. Keeps you away from junk. Barley water comes packed with fiber that helps keep your tummy fuller for longer, which further helps prevent you from reaching out to fried or junk food. Fuller tummy and lesser cravings will mean a healthy weight loss. You could also drink barley grass juice for weight loss. 2. Ensures a good digestive system. The fiber content in barley water can ensure smooth bowel movement by cleansing your digestive system, so a glassful of barley water will keep your digestion game strong, which is key to losing weight. According to Ayurveda, barley water is considered a digestive tonic that helps in facilitating the process of digestion, further improving stomach disorders like constipation or diarrhea. 3. Calorie count. When barley is soaked in water and strained, the calorie content automatically drops down. So a glassful of barley water instead of colas and fizzy drinks can do wonders on your body. Also read, 10 best barley recipes. Barley water for weight loss. The fiber content in barley water can ensure smooth bowel movement. Here's how you can make barley water for weight loss. Make your own barley water at home rather than buying from outside. In order to prepare barley water, select the pearl barley for effective weight loss. Here's a simple and quick recipe. Boil some barley pearls until they turn soft. Make sure you add 3 volumes of water to 1 volume of barley as it tends to soak water. Now, strain and collect the water. Repeat till you don't find any residue in the water. If you find the taste of barley water not so appealing, we suggest you to add a dash of orange or lemon juice or honey to it. You could also add cinnamon stick to it or ginger to add some flavor to the water. All these condiments are said to help hasten the process of losing weight. If you want to sweeten it, go ahead and add a teaspoonful of brown sugar as it is less processed and may not make you gain weight. Store the barley water in refrigerator to make it last longer. Add barley water to your daily diet along with exercises and a healthy diet to lose weight, the healthy way.